How to change your username in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So basically, we're in this profile settings. Here, you'll be able to view your profile and even edit it. Here on the bottom, there's a section of your name. So simply tap on choose a name. Here, you can easily edit your username. So simply enter the one that you want to keep. At last, hit on OK and you're all set to go. Now you can simply go back and it will be saved. Now other friends and players added with you will be able to view it as the same name too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.